Enactus is really a team of students that all share the same passion of developing themselves as a leader and coming together to improve the lives of people within their community and abroad. It's really, it's different for everyone, but at the end of the day, the projects really are what bring everyone together, because we look at real-world problems and, take things from scratch and really use entrepreneurship to develop projects that are going to address these needs and provide solutions that are not only going to help assist in those issues, but actually solve them in a more sustainable manner.
15 members of our Enactus Windsor team went to Mississauga, Toronto for our Enactus Regionals competition, which basically means that we competed against all the Central Canada Universities Enactus teams and presented on a different Enactus projects that fell into the 3 pillars of eco-living, financial literacy, and entrepreneurship.
For entrepreneurship, we presented on City Thrive, which is a program that helps get people off social assistance, as well as Quick Start. Financial literacy, we presented on 3 projects: City Thrive, which I just mentioned; You Thrive, where we work with high school students to start their own micro businesses, as well as We Thrive. And then environmental sustainability, we presented on a new project called Project Relief, where we are trying to provide a filtration system that helps purify water in a remote village in South Africa.
We started preparing for this competition approximately 4 months ago. The 4 presenters that are actually presenting, along with our alternate and our director, work on writing the script, and then once we're finished, we work with the tech team to make sure the visual aspect is aligned with the actual script.
It's where the team kind of came together, bonded. A lot of the presenters weren't on the projects they presented on, but that's where they got more closer to the projects, closer to the project managers, closer to the other members who are working on the projects. So it was a very collaborative effort, obviously, and brought us all together very closely. From the start, just being on the bus, everyone's very excited, very happy to be together, obviously. And then once we got to our hotel, we filled the entire main lobby with such energy that other Enactus teams kind of, looked at us as, wow, they're super cool and they're super energetic.
My experience at Regionals was fantastic. It was very electrifying, and it was exciting to see other teams performing and listening to other projects and what others are doing for their community. It was really eye-opening for me.
Getting a chance to experience firsthand what we do week in, week out, changing lives in Windsor, and then being able to be part of an amazing team of 6 of us that made the script and did the tech and worked for hours and hours every week to then tell the story of these people here to everyone in Ontario was an incredible experience.
This was my first time presenting at Regionals, and actually my first time even attending a Regionals competition. The feeling walking into the room when our whole team was standing there watching you, my heart was beating really fast. And then as we get up there, I had my team with me, and we gained the confidence to actually present, and it went really well. And then our team stood up and cheered, and it was the best feeling in the world.
I love the idea of Windsor being the most energetic, the most passionate, and one of the most successful schools at the competition.
At the award ceremony at the end of the night, my team, the entrepreneurship team, we were in the front and we were just all holding each other awaiting the results. And then when we found out we got first place, it's such an amazing feeling. And at that point we realized all the hard work we did paid off, and it was definitely worth it.
And going to regionals, it just takes it to that next level where you're sharing your story as well as the story of other people in your community, of who you're empowering with the world. And that's something that really, it makes it all real.
Enactus Windsor.
Do more. Do more.
Do more.
Do more.
Do more.